watching The Angle. I'm Divita Singh. So let's start our bulletin with the headlines first. Supreme Court strict on farmers' movement said you are strangling the city with this movement. Claim in the report, Tata put the highest bid but the government said the decision is yet to be taken. Raghu Sharma's appeal, donate blood, it can save the life of 4 people. Rajasthan Congress President Govind Singh Dotasra celebrate his birthday, supporters show great enthusiasm. The Supreme Court heard the issue of Kisan Mahapanchayat today. The court, while hearing, ordered that an affidavit should be filed by Monday for permission to hold Satyagraha at Jantar Mantar. At the same time, the court expressed its displeasure and said that the national highways cannot be blocked due to the agitation. The Supreme Court told an organization of farmers seeking permission to hold Satyagraha in Delhi that you have surrounded by the city and now you want to come inside and protest. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the second phase of Swachh Bharat Mission and the Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Reform. It has been designed to achieve the goal of making all cities waste-free and water conservation. The Prime Minister launched the major mission in a program organized at the Ambedkar International Center. In a statement, the Prime Minister's office said that the Swachh Bharat Mission and the Atal Mission indicate a step forward towards effectively addressing the challenges of rapid urbanization in India, as well as contributing to the achievement of Sustainable Development Goal 2030 will also be helpful. Punjab in charge Harish Rawat targeted the former Chief Minister Amrinder Singh. Rawat said the recent captain's statements are as if he is under some pressure. Rawat said that the captain should not become a helper of the anti-farmer BJP. It is the time to stand with Sonia Gandhi. Rawat said that there was no truth in the reports that Captain Amrinder Singh was insulted by the Punjab Congress. He also said that the meeting of the legislature party was convened consciously. The captain said that he would not come to the meeting. What the Congress party has done so far is to honor Captain Amrinder Singh and to boost the party's prospects in the 2022 assembly elections. Airline Air India will now go under the control of Tata Group. In the sale process of Air India, Tata Group has won the bid by putting the highest price. Let us tell you, Tata Group and SpiceJet has bid for Air India. This is the second time that the government is trying to sell its stake in Air India. Earlier in 2018, the government had tried to sell 76% stake in the company, but it did not get any response. Also, the Tata Group formed Air India in October 1932 under the name of Tata Airlines. The Department of Investment and Public Asset Management has said that the media reports indicating approval of financial bids by the Government of India are false. In the public aviation company Air India disinvestment case, the media will be informed about the decision of the government. In Jammu and Kashmir, Pulwama police and security personnel arrested a terrorist associated with the terrorist organization Lashkar-e-Taiba. The arrested terrorist is the resident of Nicolara and his name is Shaman Sofi. At the same time, the security forces have recovered incriminating material including arms and ammunition. Significantly, a terrorist was killed in an encounter between terrorists and the security forces in Shopia, Jammu and Kashmir on Friday morning. The slain terrorist has not been identified. Let us tell you that the terrorists who are strictly enraged by the army and security forces are attacking civilian targets as well as the people of the army. However, no detailed information has been received about this encounter yet. Today is the birthday of Rajasthan Congress President Govind Singh Dotasra. On this occasion, many Congress leaders, including Chief Minister of Rajasthan Ashok Gehlot, congratulated him. His birthday was also celebrated at PCC headquarters. At the same time, after a press conference with a senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh, Dotasra celebrated his birthday by cutting a cake. On this occasion, Chief Whip Mahesh Joshi congratulated him by presenting him a bouquet. There was a huge crowd of his supporters outside the PCC office. During this, there was a lot of enthusiasm among the supporters of Dotasra. Former Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh Digvijay Singh addressing a press conference in Jaipur today. spoke on many matters in a familiar manner, from NIA to Adani, Rajya Sabha MP surrounded by the Modi government. The audio of the alleged drug peddler was also played in front of the journalist, claimed that this shows BJP leader are indulging the immoral business of drugs. The former Chief Minister of MP did not stop here, but once again he spoke good things for Union Home Minister Amit Shah and once again took a jibe at RSS. Raising the issue of drugs seized from Adani port on September 13, 2021, he said that the people of Bollywood, where 200 to 300 grams of drugs were found, strict action was taken against them and they were sent to jail. But after getting 3000 kg of drugs, its investigation has been handed over to the NIA. On the occasion of National Voluntary Blood Donation Day, a state-level felicitation ceremony was organized at OTS Auditorium, Jaipur, where people and organizations who donated blood were honored. The program was organized by Rajasthan State Blood Transfusion Council. During this, the National Voluntary Blood Donation Day program, State Medical and Health Minister Raghu Sharma has said that the last year, more than 7 lakh units of blood were collected through blood donation camps organized in different districts of the state. So far this year, 4 lakh units of blood have been collected through more than 3000 blood donation camps. The minister said that even today there is a need to make people aware for donating blood. By donating blood, 4 lives can be saved. That's all for today's video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel The Angle.